Hi everyone, good morning, Mumbai. So today I am going to do my Momo challenge. I had polled on my Instagram and मुझे भी करना था तो आज मेरा मोमोली challenge होने वाला है. So this is the breakfast time. It's quite late now, but still I'm going to make it. But okay, so the breakfast thing what I've got. Okay, camera hold. For breakfast I got this a packet wala momo which is by brand Prasuma. I got this from a Simple Mart. So I'm going to cook this. I'm going to do a jugaad in this while making. So मैं first breakfast I'm going to make the simple momo, steam momo, and coming up time में that is lunch. It's going to be exciting surprise. You have to wait for the vlog. I'm not going to tell it now. Instruction में है कि you have to steam the momos, or you can fry, or you can also microwave. So I'm going to just boil because बाकी दो चीजें बाद में होने वाले हैं. So what I'm going to do is, this is a pan, as you can see, a bowl, a huge bowl. I have water in it, and this is a strainer, like rice strainer. So I'm going to put a bit of oil in it, and then क्या करने वाले मैं मोमो उसके ऊपर रख के then I'm going to steam it. So 5 minutes में momo is done. Okay. Bring closer.
Okay, so let's.
So I'll just show the whole procedure. Okay. This momo ka pack consists of 10 momos, and I'm going to cook all of them because I don't know how much quantity I need to eat. But it doesn't have chutney though. Chutney, yeah, packet hai. Yeah, there you go. Chutney ka packet है. Spicy. Yeah, by the way, this is the spicy momo challenge. Spicy momo challenge है. तो मैंने specifically momo का जो packet भी था. अभी breakfast के लिए I'm not going to cook early morning, so that's the reason I got ready made. But the whole day you will follow along. It's going to be really good. Yeah. So I'm just going to place my momos here like this करके, so they will not stick and they will cook. So I think 5 is enough right now, because otherwise they will not cook. So yeah, let them cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to put a ढक्कन on this. So our momos are kind of done. It's a bit messed. आप देख सकते हो कि थोड़ा मेरे से गलती हो गई है. But I am just going to eat 5 of this right now because I have kept other 5 in the packet because is going to come to cook momos for me. She's a pro at it. You will know who she is. But other than that, I'm just going to have this 5 momos right now because we have to eat. The breakfast is currently 11:15, so it's breakfast के लिए तो time हो गया है. But still we are going to thusu, and yeah, let's see how it works. For taste, camera roll. The sauce, I don't know how the sauce is. Sauce will change your game of eating momos. So I'm going to have it individually first. माझ्या तोंडान घे तोंडान.
अरे पण दाखव ना डिप करताना.
I'm going to take individually first. Have this directly.
कसा आहे?
It's nice. Fuck, it's nice. Then I'm going to put in chutney. मोमोली की चटनी. I don't like the sauce. It's too tomato-y. I feel it's too tangier. I feel it's too tangier than spicy. But the momos are very nice. I didn't cook it right though, so I've kept others so that my friend will cook it for me. Other than that, it is nice. बंद कर दुकान. I have not cooked it right though, but let's see. Still, I really like the taste of the momo. The sauce is not great. Which is your momo challenge here? So yeah. So Andrea is making me the remaining 5 momos which I kept. As I was not able to cook them properly, the pro has here arrived. I'll just show you guys. So preparation of the lunch momos. So my friend is going to make a lot of types of momos. Idhar. Lot of types of momos. She's going to make kurkure momos, chocolate momos, spicy momos, extremely spicy momos, momos. So okay. It's all about momos.
Okay,
so preparation हो रही है हमारे इधर मोमो. I fucking forgot the word. मोमो की preparation हो रही है. So I'm helping my friend as she's a pro. So I have to do whatever she says. So yeah, पारी हो रही है. और हम पारी कर रहे हैं. मोमो आज सिर्फ मोमो.
Okay, as in brightly dance कर.
मोमो.
Everything is shooted.
मी कालपासून ॲक्च्युली कानात मोमो. एक तो इट इज़ गर्मी, ऊपर से हाय हाय मरमी, तो ऊपर से मोमोली. एक मिनट, दिस इज द here everything has been prepared. As you can see, we are going to make kurkure momo, veggie momo, chicken momoli, and the momo patty. She's going to make mostly all of the kinds of momos, and I'm like ready to just eat them. So let's see how she's going to prepare. I want to ask you something.
Yes.
From where did you have learned all the momos? Like, I am just seeing the way she's making the momos. So fucking pro, yaar, you are. Like,
Thank you.
what? As I said, I'm going to have the spicy momo challenge. So I have told her to make extremely spicy. So she is also making chocolate momos as a dessert.
Very small.
Very small. I will have that at the end. मतलब as sweet के जैसे. Let's see. दिखाओ. Oh wow wow wow. What is this?
Kurkure momo.
Oh, kurkure रे. Kurkure momo, guys. Come. Bro. Yeah. Okay. My goodness. Couldn't ask for better momo challenge. I'm so proud of my friend. Thanks, Andrea. Where is she? Andrea, I'm gonna have this. So I feel so blessed to have. Fuck you, bitch. Don't mind my background. So as you can see, I have one kurkure momo. Andrea, come and tell which is what.
आता बोलू पहिला सांग की काय आहे
काय कोण आहे आता सांगा जरा. तू दिशेने जरा टेस्ट पापुडे. हा. Which is what?
So this one is the kurkure one. Okay.
Spicy, tell me spicy. These are the steam?
Yes.
All are
steamed
same?
spicy. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
How's it?
Nice. The sauce is also different because it has mayonnaise, it has
Tomato sauce.
Everything.
Peri, everything.
okay.
Try the kurkure one. I'm excited for the kurkure one.
Wait. Stop. It was good. तुम्ही खाला कुरकुरे?
नाही बरं आहे
मग एकच केलाय? मागची खावी पुढची तोंड लागलेलं आहे.
बरं आहे बरं आहे रे.
बटाटे असले असते ते अजून मस्त वाटतं.
एमनी चिकन नाही हां नेव्हर माइंड
चिकन आमच्या आयुष्यात
kurkure तिला दे दे तो तिला
असे
विचार
बोलते का मी तुझ्यापेक्षा मी तर देणार. आउट ऑफ द कॅमेरा रे, कारण की मी सेट आहे फ्रेम. तिचा हाताला कुठं समजलं.
बरं आहे
बरं आहे.
पेरी पेरी सॉल्ट दे
दूध टाकलं ना.
तो असंच काहीतरी आहे disaster. नाही तो पण सॉफ्ट डोमिने पण सॉफ्ट डोमिने यूज स्टीम तो फ्राय.
Hi everyone, video update. So after my afternoon stuff, I went and I slept for a while because the momos was so heavy on me. I usually just have 4 to 5 momos max. I can't have much. मतलब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकती. But anyways, or the challenge I'm doing, and I think that's the point of the video. But now, so this looks like this, something like that. I saw some videos on YouTube of Momo challenge, and they you can have like some kind of teas and stuff. That is fine. Beverages are fine. But other than that, I had nothing except for momos. I had morning with the momos that you saw. Afternoon, I had whatever Andrea made for me, and that were delicious. I feel only the layer of the momo, the outside maida layer, was really thick. So that's the reason I'm feeling very heavy still now. It is 5:30. And I got done with my this lunch by around, I guess, 2, and then I went and I slept for a while. I woke up, I got done with some of my work. I'm having my lemon tea abhi. Now evening we are going to go outside and we are going to have different kinds of momos. So I kind of polled on my Instagram also for suggestions where are good momo places. So I got quite a good suggestions and also some places that I know myself also. But let's see, I want to try tandoori momos. I've also heard about achari momos and stuff. Let's see if I get it. It's like lockdown ka time and I don't know why did I just think of making video this time, but let's see. I really wanted to do this video and get done, and let's see how you guys like and all. So yeah, I'm going to have my lemon tea and then I'll meet you with my friends. हॅलो कट्टे चालले आपण
मोमोज खायला
कंटे
पोट भरायला
we are going to have 60 or 100 feet road है 60 feet. The location is exactly Pizza Man के सामने. So I think we are going to order one chicken tandoori because I want to try the tandoori. And what you are going to eat? Cheese मी try नाही केली. Cheese मी नाही try केली. No cheese असेल ना चिकन असेल. I don't guarantee म्हणजे हाफ प्लेट पण मिळते.
आम्हाला चिकन फ्राय
चिकन फ्राय मग सिंपल ते फ्राय आहे. काय फ्राय तुम्ही मी माझं तंदुरी तू सांग.
अहो 3 ते बोलले मी तिला तिकडे
तीच करायचे तुला.
1 ते बोलली
आम्ही तर तुला आपण ते 2 प्लेट एका प्लेटमध्ये 8 असतात.
तू बघ तंदुरी घेतला ना
हां
मग चीज
वर आता कमेंट आता मी मूडवर आले घे घे व्हॉट यू वॉन्ट. आपण मोठा खास करायचं बोल.
काय घेते ते चीज घे ना
मी तंदुरी घेणार आहे. मग चीज मी ट्राय नाही केलं म्हणून चीज घे. मग हाफ प्लेटच घेते.
हा मग घे
इन केस बनणार नाही का नाही तर आपण बीजे खाऊ पैशाडे पर भरपूर.
हा
Okay guys, we are just in front of Gogo Momos here. So this is in front of DMart, opposite DMart. So we have ordered two. Hi. My friend has come here with me. So anyways, we have ordered 2 different kinds of momos. I'll go home and show you both of them. Actually, we have taken 5 types of momos. And we are 2 to 3 people going to eat it. So I'm going to go home and meet you there. You wanna say something?
I just want to say that it's going to be so yummy and we just can't wait to eat those momos.
Without having, it's going to be yummy. Waiting for momos like this. So I am almost done with my momo challenge, but अभी 5 different kinds of momos हम लोग ने order किए, full of mosquitoes. Let's go home and check out how the momos are. By the way, thank you my friends are helping me out for this video.
Shout out.
Do like, give me a thumbs up here. Hi guys, we are back. I am going to show you what momos I got. खालचा ते कुठला dishes नाही. So here are the momos. Thank you both of my friends for helping me out. So we're going to have pari हो रही है. अभी we are going to have the taste challenge. Let's see how. बाय द वे हम लोग ने सब रेस्टोरेंट को स्पेसिफिकली बोला कि एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी चाहिए. तो आई थिंक इट विल बी अप्रोप्रिएट नाउ टू हैव द स्पाइसी मोमो बिकॉज सुबह से मेरे को स्पाइसी कुछ मिला ही नहीं है. बट नेवर लेट. हाई. सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट मील माई डिनर. आई जस्ट शो यू. सो ऑल ऑफ देम आर लेड हियर. बेसिकली आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ देम बिकॉज ऑलरेडी हैड अ लॉट पूरा दिन में. आई एम गोइंग टू हैव दिस एंड यस पार्टी हो रही है. Hi guys, so we are done with the momo challenge. I'm extremely full right now and thank you so much for watching. By the way, it was extremely spicy. Thank you both of my friends for helping. Amanda and Andrea, they have helped me a lot in this whole procedure. Andrea made me momos in the afternoon and she helped me to bring the momos. So we had 5 variants. So we had chili momo, garlic momo, momo. So I don't even remember. It's all about mommy sweating because I was eating. I told the momo person to make it extra spicy. That's the reason it was very, very spicy. But other than that, I had a great time. I hope that you like my video. I'm ending it in this way. If you guys, do you want to say anything? Say something good about me. Say?
We enjoyed today's day.
Like, share and subscribe. Priyanka Almenda.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. ते खिडकी उघडेल लोकांसाठी खिडकी उघडेल थँक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आय होप दॅट यू लाईक माय व्हिडिओ. मेक शुअर दॅट यू सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल, हिट द बेल आयकॉन अँड माय अपलोड डेज आर ट्यूजडे, थर्सडे अँड सॅटर्डे अँड आय विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. टिल देन टेक केअर. बाय.